Wally's been helping a lot. Essentially, the earth boxes, city pickers, those got broken up. We pulled the water line for the automatic watering system, stacked it up over there. We're gonna put some more bricks on it. Our tomatoes, the baby ear tomatoes with the 7-foot stakes, we have them up against the wall. We're still gonna work on the porch some more. We pulled the orchids off the top, and the lanterns are gonna come next. We got their puppy pool that we put sod in, and I'm gonna probably sweep the porch down, but I tucked a lot of stuff out over there. Moved my favorite rose bush, my big tomatoes, which honestly I'm glad I pulled the water on them the other day because they're a lot easier to move. This stuff is all pretty much where it needs to be. Trimmed off some of this tree here. Hey Wally! Confused Wally a lot with all of this going on. Wrapped all these up. There's twine around it. It weighs a huge amount, so that's not going anywhere. I don't know really, like none of this stuff is really thriving right now. Like I put little squashes in, they're gonna die, but what are you gonna do? This stuff hasn't really been doing much anyways because it's been the heat of summer, so that's, you know, I'm starting to transition to fall garden anyways. Wally's here. Hey big guy. I about had a heart attack the other day with my oh man, I just had my green stalks. Wow, just had a moment there because there's covers on them, and I had been holding off watering them for a little bit because honestly I didn't, you know, this is getting a little crazy. I've been wanting to like tear it out and kind of start over, and now that I've like had a season to understand what works and what doesn't, and bananas, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but bananas are leaning on both trees, so fingers crossed they stay up, but there's not really an easy way for me to support them right now. But anyways, if you guys are familiar with the green stalks, you remember from the earlier part of the video, they had essentially watering layers on top, and I just, you know, popped it up, not thinking anything. And this one in here, I popped it up. I was standing right here, so I'm on my little pavers, pulled it up, and kid you not, as I opened it, a little mouse ran at me, bounced off of my chest, and boop, hit the floor, ran in there. So that was concerning. I haven't seen a mouse creature at all in our yard, but that makes sense. And then if you go in here, you can see that he kind of had dug himself a little hole in here just to be safe. So I feel kind of bad I disrupted him. We're gonna zip tie this back up. We used to take them down for storms, but honestly I don't think it makes a difference. I'm not gonna go over here because there's a lot of bugs over here, but essentially we just pulled up all the floor, the what is that called, like the black, I don't know, the black weed protector, and then any of our loose earth boxes we put over there. You know, this stuff is crazy overgrown. I did cut the water though, like I said the other day, so it's not getting watered. So I'm hoping after the storm we can like just kind of go in there and weed stuff, pull it out, and I really want to reevaluate this area. I like the idea of it, but it's a little much. But you guys, bananas. I hope they survive. I don't know. Same thing with my green stalks. Like, this is going to be a good opportunity to restart. Hey, Wally. Wally's ready. He's been so great. We're so proud of him. This is actually his gotcha weekend. And, oh, you guys probably can't see it, but we're getting a little sun shower right now. That's convenient. But you know, anyways, it's Wally's gotcha weekend. So last weekend was Labor Day weekend. We got him. This weekend it's Labor Day weekend. He's gone from 13 pounds to 60 pounds. And the last year, he's the goodest boy. Yeah, he's the goodest boy. And, you know, doesn't like rain. Got his little rain jacket. If you didn't see the test run, make sure you check out him on Instagram. He's got his own little page at our Fluffy Wally. And you can see how that goes. But, you know, that's really why we have our puppy pads. Or we ordered puppy pads, but even though he never used them as a puppy, but also we're hoping that this might help a little bit for potty breaks. All right, Wally, we're getting ready for. Yep, hopefully he'll use this during the storm. He hasn't really explored it as much as the cat has, but yep, just stepping inside because it's starting to rain here, but this is it. We're hoping for the best. We'll keep everybody posted on what things look like after the Hurricane Dorian has passed. Hope everybody stays safe. We'll keep you updated.